So next one is that's one. This is very, very applicable to many people. Steady income. One who has a job where he receives a set income is not permitted to take tzedakah money. Period. Right? Because even though you hardly break even this month, but your paycheck is coming. Right, so maybe it's going. It's enough for you to survive. Not allowed to take tzedakah. So I think it's my personal opinion. Most of the people in this category, even though this amount, the amount that he does not have enough to live the entire year. So he does not, but he has a steady job. That's what the most important thing. For continuing working, he will receive salary, which will enable him to support himself throughout the year. That's it. That's straightforward. However, if his salary is not enough to live on, then he would be permitted to take amount he needed from tzedakah. For example, if salary is $1,000 a month, $1,000, and he needs $1,200 a month, he would be allowed to take 200 a month from tzedakah. So that's a clear case. So that's the people that we're trying to help. They're working. They're just they're not making enough money, right? So the case that we're looking at now is the lady. She has 5 children, and she has to pay. Of course, the school gives her a break, but still. It's a lot of money. Even husband work. I know husband in a call. I don't know. She's working, so it's that's our top choice. Okay, they're working, but it's not enough. Okay.